Alright, I thought I was videoing a minute ago. Axel running crazy everywhere. And I guess I wasn't, because I'm stupid. Truck broke because the plow put about a 5-foot wall of snow against the driveway, so the city plow. Tony just got done hand shoveling a path to Vinny's house. It's literally, as you can see, up to my hips. It's so high. Actually doesn't mind. Cars are buried to the door handles, and it's still coming down. It's going to be coming down for 2 more hours. February 2013. Oh, nice yellow snow. Nice job, Axie. I thought I got him running before. Anna and Chubby's door. Can't get out. Stairs are completely covered. Look at that car. Oh my God. Anna's car. It'll be gone by noontime. Like you can see how deep it is with the Axel going down the path to the garage. Oh, he's going to try to go in the middle. Can't. My poor husband. It's trapped. Oh, he's got a poop. Poor baby.